Soft Squares. I'm going to continue on with the tutorial for the Jingle Bell Pines. Today we're going to be working on block 5. So today's block is called Jingle Socks. Isn't that cute? I've already cut my pieces out. I have them all right here on my board, and I'm going to jump right into it. So this is a pattern by Copy Clatch, which is a collaboration of Poorhouse Designs and Kate Colleran Designs, and you might recognize their little logos. They do some really cute quilts, and so this is what we're making. If you decide you want the pattern, I do have it at softsquares.com. You can also get it kitted, which is the stuff that I'm using, and when it's kitted, it looks like this. And I've been putting my made blocks in there, but you get all the fabric and it's labeled, and it's going to look like this when we're done. First thing is, when you follow instructions really close, they walk you through everything. And when you're cutting up your pieces, a lot of times they're saying, take what's left over and put it with the future block that's, number 5 or whatever they're going to give you the name. And then when you get to it, it's going to say, take leftover from this block and from this block. And so there's actually quite a bit of this that was left over. So my background pieces, most of this came from leftovers. So it's really frugal with the fabric. And so in addition to having enough to do this and make a boo-boo, hopefully you don't need to, I'd be interested to see what you come up with at the end. And in addition to this fun pattern, I have there's a bonus pattern in here that I've already cut the fabric out for, and it's a pattern for this truck in a pillow. So there was enough fabric in this kit to kit the quilt and to kit this big pillow truck, and there's still extra fabric, so there's a lot of fabric in here. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these. Yep. And put it with one of these. So these two are going to be sewn together. These 3 will be put up to this one. And after that, we're taking our greens and we are making the toe, which is going to need boxed pieces like that. We're making 2 of everything. Okay. So we're going to make putting these 2 together, 2 blocks. So here is this and this. 1 and 2. We're going to do these 3 together and add this to it. Same thing here. This together with this and this and this. And I don't have enough white. I can fix that. Then we're going to have our 2 of these. 2 of these. I'm going to just snowball the corner. Somehow I don't have enough white or all the green. I don't think I made all of my pieces. No, I did. That's funny. I really don't have enough of something here. So we're going to have to make, this is why we keep all of our fabric. We're going to have 2 more strips of that will be this and this with white between it, and I don't have that extra little white. I've got to go find it, but it's going to look like this. Okay, so we're going to have these, and then after we put this together, this is going to be sewn on this end of this to make the toe. And this right here is going to go on the end of both of these. This I need white. I need white. I'm going to put these back over. No, I'm not. I'm going to put these here. This is you know what I did? I didn't cut something right. Wow. White and white. These are way good. And that was it. And then this will make sense in a minute. That and this set. And then these right here, these ones are going to get this on the tip. And then we're going to sew this to this, and then they're going to get this on the end. Trust me, it will make sense. I just want to get everything so I can piece, to start doing all my piecing as much as I can. These pieces are way too long. I cut them off. So let's trim them. these two, and I have these two that are going to get this. Do it like this. This, and then this is going. Let's sew our stockings. First, this needs this. Now I'm noticing this is short. I just got through cutting this much off. I think I put the wrong strip down there. So I will figure that out in a minute. We're going to come back. All right, here's the block. I will have two in a minute, but I'm not going to make you watch me do it. But I have to fix this. I need a little bit bigger piece right here, and then I can sew this second one together just like this. But for the most part, that's how you do it. You just need to make sure you're paying attention to what size the strips are that it tells you to lay down, because that's what I did. I put the wrong size there and the longer size up here, and I trimmed it off. So I'm gonna need a bigger piece right here. But that's it. That actually came together easy, just like all the others. And I will see you in the next video. There, I fixed it. I sewed on what I cut off. And it was a big enough piece to do that. And I think it's just fine. There. Now I have two stockings, and I bet you don't even know which one I goofed up on.
Soft squares, soft and bright.